If you own stocks or crypto, or you're even thinking about investing, stop everything and watch this video now. Markets are at a turning point, and there's one thing you must understand before it's too late. Miss this, and you could miss out on the biggest opportunity of the year, or worse, make a costly mistake. I'll quickly break this down in a simple, easy to understand approach, but remember to stay till the end to get your free trade alert. Hey, I'm Scott, founder of Trade Alert HQ and professor at the Financial Freedom Academy. My goal is simple. On this channel, I work for you to take your trading and investing game to the next level. I'll give you real-time strategies and trade alerts to help you on your road to financial freedom. After leaving my corporate job in 2016, I've been trading stocks and crypto full-time while traveling all over the world. I'm here to pass along everything I've learned so you can skip the guesswork and start making winning moves right now. Every week, I'll bring you in-depth stock and crypto analysis, real-time buy and sell alerts, and answer any questions you have so you feel confident in every decision you make. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and join the Trade Alert HQ family. Your journey to the next level of financial freedom starts here. Hold on to your seats for this one. I'm going to cover a lot today with stocks and crypto, so let's dive right in. Taking a look at the stock market, this is the futures, the S&P 500 representation of the United States stock market. Now, these targets have not changed. These levels I've had on the chart for a long time. The SR flip, meaning the resistance level right now, is 59.31, and price is battling with that level. We are poised over the 9 EMA here, the pink line, so that's good. SRSI is still poised up, which is good. Now, RSI making lower highs, which is a little bit divergent, meaning price can pull back. So I still have this upside target here for the ES at 6,100. That's the upside target for futures. As far as the downside target, if you see this trend line break and this support one around 57.15 break, okay, the downside target is down here around 52.50. We don't have to worry about downside right now, and that's the point. What's going on really with stocks and crypto? We're not really at the point right now of a recession, okay? But the recession will come and everything will crash, but not yet. So is it too late for you to invest? The answer is it depends on what you're buying and where you're putting your money. For example, on the United States initial jobless claims, right now we're below 260,000, so a recession is not likely. I'm going to keep watching this chart and let you know. But if we see the jobs, the unemployment rate get above 260,000, those are warning signs in the markets. For now, we're in quite a bull market with all kinds of stocks, crypto making new all-time highs. So there's still money to be made, but we need to not get complacent and think things go up forever because it will crash, just not yet. Let's take a look at crypto. Speaking of skyrocketing, we have Mantra, OM, up 150% over the last 7-day period. That's quite a move. We have HBAR, up 100%. Stellar, up 100%. XRP, up 55%. Stellar and XRP are moving together. We call that in sympathy. So that's kind of a sympathy move on Stellar with XRP because they're basically very similar. XRP is a trade alert and it is way up from our entry. Now, let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I have not moved these levels on the chart. Last week we said if Bitcoin reclaims 87, which it did on a daily chart, this is a weekly, it'll make a move up to 95.2, which it has. Now, we're getting a little reaction here. You can see price pulling back from this 95,000 level, right? If we break above that level, I'm expecting 104.1. If we don't break above this level, I wouldn't be surprised to see a pullback and really retest this 87.2 level. For now, it's level to level. SRSI is up over trend, and RSI is actually peeping its head out, making a higher high from this pivot back here in June. That's good. It's bullish. RSI could come down and retest before making a move. So don't get caught off guard. Look for pullbacks. Look for pullbacks if you want to get long. But that said, Ethereum put in our double bottom, broke above resistance at 27.50 and made a move up to the resistance at 3,400, just like we said. You can see this parallel channel has interaction. So we have a breakout, but right now it's kind of struggling with these resistance zones. It's kind of struggling with these resistance zones. So don't be shocked if we just consolidate before making a move higher above 33.70. Solana, this has been quite a mover this cycle. Last week we said if Solana holds above 207, it's going to go to 268. Well, so far it held above 207 and it's making its move up towards 268. It could consolidate a little here. That really wouldn't surprise me, but you know, it is above all the major moving averages as we can see here, and SRSI up, RSI up over 50, struggling right at the 70 level. So consolidation would not surprise me on Solana. Stay ahead of the game with real-time trade alerts. Hit subscribe and turn the notifications on so you're always the first to know about the latest stock and crypto moves. Your financial freedom is just one click away. Let's crush those gains together. Let's talk about Brett for a second. Now, this is a meme coin, and you know, just to give you an idea, the long on Brett was back here. That's an 886 Fibonacci retrace long. If you don't know what that is, or you want to know what that is, check out the link in the description. It's the Financial Freedom Academy, where you get to learn all this stuff, and it's free to be on the email list. Why not join? Now, this trade, just to give you an idea, is up 600% into the resistance that I've had marked out here on the chart for a long time, around 19 cents. So is it too late to go long? Here, I wouldn't recommend that. You know, you could look for a pullback and other opportunities that I'm going to tell you about. In fact, let's take a look at Doge. Doge is a trade alert in the Financial Freedom Academy, up from the entry 400%, and these levels were on the chart in advance. So the first target got hit. The second target, I had a note here to hold some of your position in case price breaks above, meaning in case price wants to go higher, hold some of your position at 28 cents because price can go higher, and it has. So it's up 400%. The next level is around 0.50. That's going to be a major resistance level for Doge. So if you're going to get in something like Doge, you want to look for a pullback. The best entry would be around 28 cents. Speaking of memes, let's talk about SHIB. Everybody knows SHIB. SHIB is up from the entry down here around support. Okay, it held, as you can see, and it broke above all the moving averages into resistance here around 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, 2, 7. It's pulling back. It wouldn't surprise me if SHIB pulls back to the 9 EMA here around 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, 2, 0. Right here around this pink 9 EMA. That'd be a good quick long signal. But again, a lot of these are already up so much. So I'm going to give you other trade alerts that are a little bit safer. Let's take a look at Nvidia. Back to traditional stock market. Okay, Nvidia has earnings today. So I am going to risk analyzing Nvidia for you before earnings. Believe it or not, it is possible. Earnings comes out today after the market closed. So today, Wednesday, November 20th. After the market, Nvidia reports earnings. What's going to happen? Well, Nvidia is looking bullish because it's holding this 9 pink EMA here. It's also holding this SR flip level around 140, which was the pivot high back from June. And basically what should happen on earnings is a move up into this 152, 153 zone. Now, price could react there and pull back, or price could actually blast off to these other levels, 160, and eventually make its way up to 170 in the top of this parallel channel that you can see on the chart. Now, that shouldn't happen in one quick move. It's probably going to chop around, but my primary long would be about 153 to tag. If it decides to break down, there's a very good support level around 133 right here, and there's the 20 and 21 moving averages curling up under price around 126. So you could get a quick wick down here that just runs everybody out and then a bigger move up. Don't let it catch you off guard. SRSI up over 80, which is bullish. RSI, this is kind of a warning sign, making lower highs as price makes higher highs. So that means either RSI needs to break over this trend line and make a move up to support price making a higher move, or if it rejects here, we could get that quick flash down. So be on the lookout for those types of moves if you own Nvidia. Longer term, speaking of, is it too late to invest? I'm thinking we're getting closer to the end of the bull market. That said, it could go as long as into next summer. We're talking about, or this upcoming summer, June, July 2025. We could keep making moves into that time period in crypto. A lot of these crypto projects are beaten down bad. Let me give you an example. Internet Computer, and this is your trade alert of the week. Internet Computer actually listed on Coinbase, believe it or not, at $600, all right? Now, it proceeded to completely nuke all the way down to around $2.70 and put in this gigantic basing pattern. This is like a Wyckoff accumulation pattern down here. Now, what's done, and I'm going to keep it simple for you, is it's basically broken out of this bullish wedge, prices above the 9 EMA, the 20 EMA, and the 21 EMA, and it's holding right there, curling up under price. This is bullish. It's also over S1 around 825 and SRSI poised up, RSI over 50 just waiting to make a move higher. So I anticipate this ICP long entry right here, long means buy, to go straight up and hit this level around 13. Now 13 is a big resistance, a lot of volume traded in this 13 area. So if we reject there, don't be shocked. But if we break above 13, the longer term swing target is up here into $29 for Internet Computer. So what would that look like? That would look like a move up of about 200%, which is quite a move, okay? Level to level, use risk management. And if you don't understand risk management or how to long or how to short, for example, you can learn for free in the Financial Freedom Academy. The link's in the description. Check it out. That's been your video of the week. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Your support drives this community. If this video brought you value, hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, here at Trade Alert HQ, you're the first to know about real-time trade alerts. We're growing fast, and you are at the heart of it. I'm here working for you, so let's keep this momentum going. Your financial freedom starts here.